Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
We are happy you are here.
My name is Emma today.
And I am Daniel, your partner.
Today, we discuss confidence in English.
This topic can change your life.
Many students feel shy speaking.
Maybe you feel that too.
But stay with us carefully.
Today, you learn real solutions.
Daniel, why people fear speaking?
They are afraid of mistakes.
Yes, mistakes make them nervous.
They think others will laugh.
But mistakes are normal part.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
So fear is only mindset.
Confidence starts inside your brain.
How can we build confidence?
First, change your thinking style.
What do you mean exactly?
Stop saying, "My English bad."
Say, I am improving daily.
Positive words change your energy.
Energy changes your speaking power.
Your brain believes what repeat.
That is very powerful idea.
Yes, confidence is daily practice.
What is second important step?
Speak every day without excuse.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Yes, short practice builds habit.
Habit makes you stronger slowly.
Small actions create big results.
Many students only watch videos.
Watching is good, but not enough.
Yes, speaking needs active practice.
Open your mouth and talk.
Talk to yourself at home.
Describe your day in English.
For example, I woke early.
Then, I made simple breakfast.
This method is very simple.
Yes, and very effective too.
What about pronunciation problems?
Do not chase perfect accent.
Clear speaking is more important.
Focus on clear, simple words.
Slow speaking sounds more confident.
Fast speaking creates more mistakes.
That is very true advice.
Confidence loves calm, slow voice.
What about speaking with strangers?
Start with safe, small conversations.
Like ordering coffee in English.
Or asking simple directions.
Small wins build big confidence.
Every success gives motivation.
I remember my first presentation.
Were you nervous that day?
Yes, my hands were shaking.
How did you control fear?
I prepared simple, short sentences.
Preparation reduces anxiety quickly.
Yes, practice gives mental comfort.
Confidence grows from preparation.
So preparation is very important.
Yes, never speak without thinking.
Think, organize, then speak calmly.
Simple structure makes speech stronger.
Use beginning, middle, and ending.
This gives your message direction.
What daily exercise you suggest?
Record your voice on phone.
Many students feel uncomfortable recording.
Yes, but it helps greatly.
Listening shows your weak points.
Then you improve slowly daily.
Another problem is vocabulary.
Students think they need many words.
But basic words are enough.
Yes, simple words create clear ideas.
Confidence is not big vocabulary.
It is clear, strong delivery.
How can students stop overthinking?
Focus on message, not grammar.
Grammar mistakes are not disaster.
Communication is the main goal.
If people understand you,
Then you are a successful speaker.
let us practice many dialogue.
Yes, this helps listeners now.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
What did you do yesterday?
I studied English 2 hours.
That is great. Keep practicing.
Thank you. I feel confident.
See, it is very simple.
Yes, confidence comes from repetition.
Repeat phrases many times daily.
Repetition builds automatic speaking.
Body language also affects confidence.
Yes, stand straight and smile.
Eye contact shows strong personality.
Even online posture is important.
Your hands also send message.
Yes, do not hide them always.
Open hands look more friendly.
Closed arms look very nervous.
Small details change big impression.
People feel your energy quickly.
What about voice control?
Voice is a very powerful tool.
Should we speak very loudly?
No, speak clear and steady.
Slow voice sounds more confident.
Fast voice shows nervous feeling.
Sometimes students speak very fast.
Yes, because they feel stress.
How can they fix that?
Take small pause between sentences
Pause gives power to words.
and helps brain think clearly.
Breathing is also important.
Yes, deep breathing calms the body.
Before speaking, take slow breath.
This reduces shaking voice.
Let's try small exercise.
Okay, listeners, follow us now.
Take deep breath slowly.
Hold it for 3 seconds.
Now release it gently.
Feel your body relaxing.
See, it is very simple.
Yes, confidence starts with calmness.
Another problem is comparing others.
Yes, comparison kills motivation fast.
Someone speaks better than you.
But they practiced longer time.
Everyone has different journey.
Focus only on your progress.
Yesterday, you knew less words.
Today, you know more already.
What about speaking in groups?
Start by listening carefully first.
Then say short, clear opinion.
Do not give very long speech.
Short answers feel more natural.
And reduce pressure inside.
For example, in a classroom discussion.
Yes, you can say simple ideas.
I agree with this point.
Or, I have a different opinion.
These phrases sound confident.
And they are very easy.
Many learners fear silence.
Silence is not your enemy.
You can pause and think.
Native speakers also pause often.
Let us talk about mindset again.
Yes, mindset controls your actions.
If you think, I cannot,
Your brain believes that message.
change it to, I can learn.
Growth mindset builds strong confidence.
What daily challenge can help?
Speak one sentence to a stranger.
That sounds scary for beginners.
Yes, but it builds courage.
Maybe ask simple, small question.
Like, what time is it?
Small risks grow bravery.
And bravery grows confidence.
Also, celebrate small success.
Yes, reward yourself sometimes.
For example, after good conversation.
Tell yourself, I did well.
Positive self-talk is powerful.
It changes your inner voice.
Another tip is preparation phrases.
Yes, have ready, useful sentences.
Like, give me one moment.
Or, let me think a little.
These phrases give extra time.
And reduce pressure inside.
Confidence is a skill, not talent.
Yes, everyone can develop it.
It needs patience and practice.
And strong belief in yourself.
Imagine your future confident self.
See yourself speaking clearly.
Visualization improves performance.
Many successful people use it.
So, confidence is a combination.
Mindset, practice, and body language.
Also, breathing and preparation.
And daily small, brave actions.
What final advice today?
Do not wait for perfect moment.
Start speaking from today.
Action kills fear quickly.
Remember, you are improving daily.
Believe in your progress.
Tell us in comments.
What stops your confidence?
Fear, grammar, or pronunciation?
We want to read stories.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep speaking and stay confident.
See you next episode.
Goodbye and keep practicing.
Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications.